Here at Soma, we believe in optimizing our everyday lifestyle with better product design. And that's why we created the first of its kind, Soma X case. A modern, minimalist iPad case that fuses together the best in the worlds of analog and digital. It was important for us to create a product that bridges the gap between analog and digital lifestyles, while keeping the perfect blend of functional, organized, and minimal. The case was made for designers, students, business professionals, and artists alike. With a magnetic modular stacking iPad case that is available in multiple iPad sizes. We also developed a magnetic, snap-on dual pen holder that syncs with the case and can hold both your Apple iPencil or any normal pen or pencil. With this Apple thematic design, the Soma X case will support your creative lifestyle, helping you stay compact, clean, and organized, so you stay on point, be productive, and do what you do best. With Soma's modular design, you can easily stack multiple notebooks on the case, and quickly snap on and snap off whichever notebooks you like, depending on the scenario or creative project. All while keeping things super tidy, portable, and Apple thematic. Over the past 14 months, our team has worked hard to source the best materials for design and build out. We've prototyped many different iterations and we're finally happy with the end product and we're ready to move forward. As we gear up to launch Soma X to the market, we'd love to have your support through Kickstarter to help us introduce this innovative product to the masses. So back our project today and let's bring Soma X to life.